So I'm just going to demonstrate a couple of pieces that we have here. We have a normal panache of vegetables that we would have just a manual standard preparation on there. And we've also got a piece of salmon. So all I'll do is open up on steam, place the vegetables in, and like we talked about, I've got a half gastronorm there. I can push this right to the back if I want, or I can have it at the front. It gives me that flexibility. The salmon sits in underneath. Just close the door, and all I need to do is I'm on steam at 98 degrees. Highlight that I want 8 minutes. Start the process of the cook. And now it will automatically count down the 8 minutes. What will happen is I'll get a beep and a flash of the oven. The cavity will start flashing and beeping at me, telling me that the cooking process is finished. Now, the reason that I'm demonstrating this with the salmon and the vegetables is to show there's no cross-contamination through the oven. We have a vent at the bottom here which draws air in, circulates to the back of the screen to keep the screen cool, and then rotates at the back, and the vent on the top that circulates round. Now, the reason this is so the vent is always circulating around, and the fan is, so we're keeping a nice even cook in the cavity, and the air is always moving around in there, so we're not going to get cross-contamination of flavours.
Fantastic. So even though you have salmon at the bottom and vegetables at the top, you won't get any salmon taste in the vegetables at all?
Completely not, yes. Right, so here's the salmon and the vegetables after they're finished after an 8-minute cook on steam. So we just open the door, just let any residue of steam out, and then all we'll do is just remove, and as you can see the salmon straight away, nice and pink still, lovely and moist. And the vegetables still retain great colour and full of their vitamins and minerals.